Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you, Scorpio. What are the messages for you, Scorpio, and what's going on? Wow. 8 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords. The Moon, 5 of Cups and Page of Cups, 9 of Pentacles. Justice and Emperor. Ooh. Under the deck, the Hermit. The person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. Maybe you are isolating from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are not talking to anyone, Scorpio. Maybe undergoing some spiritual awakening. Yeah. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 8 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords. Your money was good and you're concentrating on your career and you're investing your energy on your work and achieving financial stability. For some, you already achieved your financial stability because 8 of Pentacles to 10 of Pentacles, there is some improvement in your career and your finances. And 8 of Swords, but in relationship wise, you are stuck. Maybe you are in separation with your person. For some, you are in no contact situation because you are stuck. You don't know which decision, we don't know which decision and which action you have to take. And right now, the Moon, 5 of Cups and Page of Cups. Your person may be immature, non-committal, in and out of your life. Maybe for some, children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, there are some illusion and mysterious in this connection. Maybe your person is hiding something from you, the Moon. Maybe you hiding something is mysterious in this connection. Maybe for some, you both have some misunderstanding. You are very sad for the separation, 5 of Cups. And but some message, some apologies coming in your way, some communication, Page of Cups. I think it's your past person coming back with an apology, Scorpio. And future energies, 9 of Pentacles, Justice and the Emperor. Yeah, they're coming back for second chance, but you are achieving financial stability and you overcome this pain and you stand by your power. And you are very grounded and this is very powerful energy. See, you are very attractive and you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You stand by your power, but they are coming back to offer commitment. Yeah. But you cut them off. Maybe you decided to move on. For some, you want to stand by yourself and want to achieve financial abundance. For some, you already achieved. Now you are a stable person emotionally. But someone is coming back with an apology, communication and commitment I am getting. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings. Under the deck, Page of Swords, spying, yeah, communication, message. They may be spying on you on social media. So let's see your person current feelings, Scorpio. Six of Wands, Knight of Wands. And the Moon. I think strong water energies here, especially Pisces. The person involved in this connection could be, yeah, they are very attracted to you because Knight of Wands energy and they want success in this connection. Under the deck, Hierophant. I already told you they want to commit to you. Yeah, commitment. They are thinking about commitment. And Knight of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. And the Moon. But there are some disturbances still there between you and your person. They want to resolve the disturbances between both of you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Your person near future actions towards you. High Priestess, King of Swords, and Three of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. And Eight of Swords. Maybe your person also feeling stuck, but they will make a move towards you. Some communication. King of Swords energy. High Priestess, they're listening to their inner self. They're listening to their inner voice. Yeah, maybe they're waiting for the right time to come towards you. Because your person right now stuck, that's why they will take time. They're taking time, but they will approach you through communication, and they are very attracted to you because Knight of Wands is here. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces. Yes, communication is coming, commitment also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Scorpio. The person involved in this connection could be Leo also. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. Six of Swords, and they're getting the strength to come back to you. And Princess of Wands, Queen of Wands. Maybe your person also very attractive person. They are also very powerful. Let's see from your side. Yeah, Three of Cups, celebration. Knight of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back. They have strong emotions for you. And under the deck, the Star. I think there is a chance, there is a hope for this connection because these are the mutual and outcome. Still, you both are hoping for new beginnings with each other if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, I think this relationship is going to be next level. Yeah, some communication is coming. Your person want to fix the things between both of you, and they have strong emotions. Knight of Cups is here, but it is very slow moving energy. Yeah, there is reunion because Three of Cups with Six of Swords. Yeah, Chariot. Slow moving energy, but still there is some movement. Okay, because you both are stuck right now, but there will be in near future there will be some movement, but very slow moving energy. And success. Six of Wands. There will be reunion. Most of you guys, very few where there is third party. Other than there will be reunion. So let's see. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer and Pisces, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Leo. So let's see your overall energy, Scorpio, for the week. Two of Cups. This is a mutual love sharing between you and your person. You also listening to your higher self, inner voice. This could be long distance relationship. Maybe for some the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. Yeah, long term commitment is coming, and especially for you Scorpio, there is stability in finances are coming. Okay, there is a lot of abundance coming in your way because you are working hard toward your goals. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person overall energy. Scorpio, your person overall energy. Tower, right now your person undergoing some tower movement. Yeah, there are some disturbances, but they want this happiness and celebration with you. For some it could be twin flame connection also. Not for all, for some Seven of Swords. Yeah, they know they hurt you, but now they're realizing your worth after the separation. That's why they want to fix the things between both of you. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. Hold your vision. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, if you are not seeing any results right now, but this is the message from universe. Hold your vision. It is coming, but you are not seeing the result. Do hard work and be consistent. Definitely your results will come. Your hard work will pay off. Okay, this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.